Ever wished your AI could do more than just chat, like handles entire tasks without you dictating every step? Meet the concept of AI agents, the next level of intelligence that actually does things on your behalf. Hello, my name is Puneet. In this video, we will break down the 3 stages of AI helpers, from chatty parrots like ChatGPT, Claude, then moving on to AI workflows, and finally AI agents. We will explore each level in details, comparing them, sharing real-world examples. Imagine a really smart parrot. It repeats or constructs answer based on everything it heard in the training. That's the large language models. It's great at conversation or generating text, but it doesn't do anything on its own. And you have been already using these chatbots. Simply you type a question, it types back an answer. Super helpful for brainstorming or quick info. It won't magically know your personal files, photos or data unless you feed that info into your prompt. It waits for you to say something. It won't spontaneously fetch your daily schedules or upload a doc. It's basically stuck in conversation mode unless you specifically direct it. Think of it like a polite friend who only talks when you speak to him and basically has no clue what's in your fridge or your Slack or your business servers unless you tell them every details. Now we have more advanced system that can do multiple step tasks, but you still have to give it the exact recipe. This is often called an AI workflow. You say open my calendar, then read the events, and then tell me what's next. The AI is following your plan. RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. If it needs to check the weather or pull from knowledge base, it can do so mid-workflow to refine the output. You might use no-code tool or dedicated environments to build these sequences like Zapier, Make, or specialized AI workflow apps. It's great for complex processes you do repeatedly, like multi-step marketing campaign or daily business tasks. Less guesswork because plan is explicit. You still have to carefully monitor. The AI might follow your step exactly but produce odd results if the instructions are flawed. Also, it won't spontaneously do tasks you didn't plan for. It's like a super literal personal assistant. If you forgot to say invite my boss to the meeting, it won't. The moment you skip a step in the recipe, you end up with half-baked cookies. The final evolution of AI agents. You give it a goal and it figures out how to achieve it. It's not just following a recipe, it's creating the recipe itself. Let's talk about core compatibilities. Autonomous planning. You say plan a birthday party for my friend. Agent decides who to invite, venue options, schedule budgeting, etc. by itself. It might send emails, do web searches, update spreadsheets, or even integrate with your no-code environments. It's basically free to choose the best approach. Adaptive learning. If the steps fails or a new idea emerges, the agent can pivot. It's not locked into a single plan. It's a huge time saver. It could handle tasks you would normally do manually. Great for project management, engineering, or even creative tasks. You have to be cautious. Autonomy can lead to mistakes. If you let it run wild with your credit cards or production servers, you might come back to interesting results. Guardrail, logging, and permission structures are essential. It's like having an intern who's super enthusiastic and resourceful but sometimes books the wrong venue. If you're not watching, always keep a babysitter to ensure it doesn't go rogue. Alright, here are simple recaps of 3 levels we explored today. Level 1, you give an input and the language model gives you the output. Straightforward, like chatting with a really smart parrot. Level 2, you give input and a step-by-step plan. The AI follows your instructions, sometimes calling external tools to help, but the human defines the path. And finally, the level 3. You just give the goals, the AI agent figures out the steps, takes action, check its progress, and even retires if needed until it gets the job done. That's the magic. The LLM becomes the decision maker, not just the responder. Thank you for watching.